Welcome back to Supercar. If you're tired of overpriced SUVs that promise the world but deliver little, then Dacia has always been a breath of fresh air. But their latest gamble, the 2025 Bigster, is aiming for the big leagues Europe's competitive C segment. Is this a stroke of genius, or does Dacia's elevated essentials philosophy come with some serious hidden compromises? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the Dacia Bigster 2025 and uncovering some big problems you need to know about before you buy. And if you love honest car reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. First, let's get a quick overview of what this big Dacia actually brings to the table. Alongside practical innovations like the U-clip accessory system and modular roof bars. But beneath the surface of affordability, some serious questions arise, starting with what's under the bonnet. Many question if the three-cylinder engines are truly enough for such a big car, fearing a tank with a weak engine feel, especially over time. The new 1.8-liter hybrid 155, while efficient, offers less raw torque than the smaller turbo engines, and can feel sluggish if it starts charging the battery while under load due to its small 1.4 kilowatt-hour battery and very limited electric-only range of barely 10 kilometers. Adding to the frustration, the 4x4 option isn't available with an automatic transmission or the cost-saving LPG system, forcing buyers into tough compromises. Step inside, and Dacia's budget-first approach becomes immediately apparent, impacting both comfort and perceived quality. The interior is more obviously built to a budget, with plenty of coarse, hard-wearing plastics that can feel a bit basic compared to rivals like the MG HS. While practical, some storage is surprisingly tight, and the small rear window is a visibility concern. On the road, prepare for noise. The Bigster suffers from significant wind and road noise at cruising speeds, making it quite loud compared to most rivals. The ride, especially on 19-inch wheels, is firmer than one might expect, and can struggle on rough surfaces. Perhaps the biggest problem isn't just what the Bigster offers, but how it's sold, and what it deliberately leaves out. Critics point to a deceptive pricing strategy, where low-advertised essential models are rarely available, pushing customers towards much pricier extreme or journey trims that erode Dacia's cheap reputation. Despite its substantial 4.57-meter length, Dacia made a deliberate choice to offer no option for 3 rows of seats, directing 7-seat buyers to the jogger. This, along with cost-saving measures like a single boot strut, highlights Dacia's less is more philosophy, which some see as a slightly missed opportunity in a competitive segment. So, how does Dacia respond to these criticisms? Their answer lies in a philosophy that challenges conventional automotive wisdom. Dacia argues their choices are driven by attention to what customers say they actually want, avoiding superfluous fripperies that add cost and weight. The scratchy plastics are a victory for common sense, prioritizing durability over perceived luxury. Wind noise and a firmer ride are accepted trade-offs for a lighter, more affordable vehicle. Crucially, Dacia's My Perso switch allows drivers to easily disable or configure intrusive ADAS systems, a smart, user-friendly feature often missing in more expensive cars. This elevated essentials approach aims to deliver best value for money by focusing on core functionality. But how does the Bigster truly stack up against the titans of the C-SUV segment? The Bigster's undeniable strength is its price, starting from £24,995 in the UK, significantly undercutting rivals like the Nissan Qashqai, which starts at over £30,000, and the VW Tiguan at £35,000. It also boasts class-leading interior space, with a massive 677-liter boot, far exceeding competitors like the Kia Sportage. However, its budget interior, higher cabin noise and stretched platform are clear compromises compared to the more refined and feature-rich offerings from rivals. Pricing also varies wildly across Europe, with the UK paying significantly more than countries like Romania. So, what's the final verdict on the Dacia Bigster 2025? The Bigster is a vehicle of deliberate trade-offs. It offers unparalleled value, immense practicality, and a refreshingly honest approach to car design. Its problems, from engine perception and interior materials to noise and pricing tactics, are often direct consequences of Dacia's relentless pursuit of affordability and essential functionality. It's not about luxury or thrilling performance, but about delivering a smart, honest, and surprisingly well-thought-out family SUV for an era of spiraling costs. The question for you, the viewer, is whether these compromises are acceptable for the unbeatable value and practicality the Bigster offers.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive